Welcome back, you guys. For today's video, we're going to be making stuffed shells Alfredo style. For our meat, we're going to be using some ground chicken breast, and then you will see me use several different spices. I will show you guys that. Also, for our sauce, you are going to need butter, minced garlic, and some heavy whipping cream. I also am going to add in some cheese such as mozzarella, smoked Gouda, and a white sharp cheddar. And then for the inside of the shells, we're going to add some cream cheese and ricotta. And of course, you're going to need your jumbo shells. Let's get started. Alright, you guys, this is our ground chicken breast here. I did add a little Italian seasoning to this as well. That's up to your discretion if you want that extra flavor in there. I am going to add that to this and then just mix it all around till it's done. And you do want to make sure that it's really, thoroughly chopped up because you're going to want to put this in our shells. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, once you're done seasoning it, your ground chicken should look like so. Alright, I got the Gouda cheese, the mozzarella, and then I have the white cheddar. I'm going to mix that all around. And you guys, I'm so sorry, but I almost forgot to mention, you do want to add some Parmesan to this as well. I have some grated Parmesan cheese I'm going to add to this. Just gives it the right flavor. You guys, after you've completed your sauce, you want to go ahead and add it to the bottom of a pan like so. Okay, I have my son helping me. You ready, son?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started by pouring our chicken in the bowl. Go ahead. Good job. So we're adding our ricotta cheese to this. Okay, my son's adding in our cheese. Go ahead. Good job. There you go. Alright, we got the shredded cheeses, the ricotta cheese, and the chicken. Now we're going to add in our Parmesan cheese, the grated Parmesan. Go ahead. Okay, I've added in our salt and pepper to that. Now we're going to mix everything together. Alright guys, I went ahead and mixed everything all together. We're going to add just a little bit more salt and pepper, and then we're going to start stuffing our shells. There we go. My son's adding in that salt and pepper. Thank you, baby. Next we're going to stuff the shells, and then we're going to place each one here. Okay, I went ahead and stuffed our first one, and we're going to line each one up like so. Alright guys, we're halfway done. I have my son helping me. Stuff each one, and then we're placing them here on the sheet, and we're going to preheat the oven to about 350 so it'll be ready to go. Hold it up a little bit high. There you go, so you can see it. And we're just stuffing each one like so, you guys. Perfect. Great job. Thank you so much, baby. Alright, you guys, now that we have everything all stuffed and ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and pour the remaining sauce over everything, and then we're going to put it in the oven on 350. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, I went ahead and poured the cheese over the shells like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the oven. Alright, you guys, it's nice and done out of the oven. Here's the final result.